Hey YouTube, it's me, MikkiRavage. I'm a little drunk right now, and it is so hot, so I'm in my underwear. And just so you know, I'll post a link above. Watch the Raunchy Man's first YouTube video, The Drunken Rat. Well, anyway, this bird won't shut the fuck up. I'm trying to get some peace and be up. Can you hear him? He's starting with me. I already told him to shut the fuck up, so you guys are gonna watch me curse at him. Yo, bird! Yeah, I'm talking to you. Shut the fuck up. Yeah, you. What did you just call me? Shut up! And you shut up too, dog. You getting in on this? Yo, fuck you. Shut up. Alright, fuck you. You know, fuck you. Fuck you too. Yeah, people are trying to sleep, and you're making me yell. Shut up! Shh, shh. 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 Thank you. What the fuck is this shit? Alright, I'm gonna have to go get my gun and shoot him. Peace out, YouTube.